Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Luckyato. So today I decided to make another video that shows you guys how to create your Clickbank account from Nigeria, from Africa, or any restricted country in the world. So actually what made me decided to make this video for you guys is I've been getting some DMs from my subscribers, those who are interested to grab my secret IP setup for African entrepreneurs. They're asking me if my method is still working or is it still effective. So to answer those questions, I decided to make this video so that you see that my method is always evergreen. So welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, drop it in the description, in the comment section below rather, and also check the description for links that will help you, like the links to get your IP setup that will help you also create your Clickbank account, guys. So without much further ado, let's get straight to it. Okay guys, so we're about to make our Clickbank account. So in this video tutorial, you're going to learn how to make your own Clickbank account 2024, 2025 and beyond. So like I said in my intro video, this video I'm about to make is to show you guys that my secret IP method still actually works, and I believe will keep working with time to come. Okay, so like I told you guys in my intro, the one of my subscriber or few of my subscribers that wanted to grab the IP setup for African entrepreneur were a kind of contemplating if my secret IP setup is still actually working. So in this video I'll show you guys that it is still actually working, guys. So I'm actually creating this account for a subscriber. Okay, she subscribed for my Clickbank account creation service, so I'm about to create her Clickbank account. So for that reason I'll be blurring some of her private information because it won't be nice for me to show her information to you guys. So like you guys know, I'm using this video as a case study so you guys to see that this method is still working, guys. So if you have not watched the first video where I created a Clickbank account with my method, check the description below where I link it there. And if you have watched it, you know that before we go straight to Clickbank and start making our Clickbank account, we need to do our IP setup, and after the IP setup we still need to check some website to be sure that yes, our IP has been set up properly. And my favorite website that I use is called Pixelscan. You can see this is called Pixelscan. It scans all your laptop, your PC hardware, it checks your IP and everything and make sure it is good. So if I refresh it, okay, if I should refresh it, you can see it here. Okay, I can still come over here and type in pixelscan.net and then okay, so you can see it must show you that your browser fingerprints are consistent. It is very important. Everything must be green. Here must be checked green, this must be checked green. If you see anything red, then do not proceed. Okay, and the account I'm making is a Germany account. As you can see, from Germany, I'm making a Germany account. Why am I making a Germany account? Because Germany is in the UE, UE countries, is among the UE countries, and you can be paid through euros. All right, so you can use your Pioneer, your GigPay, your Grey.co to withdraw your money from Clickbank. All right, so without much wasting of your time, let's get straight into it. So I'll just visit clickbank.com. Okay, so you can see it now. We're on Clickbank. So all we just need to do is to click on start affiliate. No, affiliate start here. Okay, just click on affiliate start here. Okay, so we'll just keep all these, skip this quick guide. We just want to head straight to it. Are you sure? Let's just keep the quick guide. Okay, so we start filling our information immediately. Okay, so I will blur some of this information. I will blur them. So now the country is Germany. Germany, let me see. Okay, so Germany. All right, so the first name, I'll just enter the first name. Enter the second name, the last name rather. Then for the phone number, I'll just, now make sure before, you can see the way my notebook is already arranged, like I have all my information all arranged, so that you will not just go and be wasting time. All you just need to do is arrange all the information that you need to fill in, and all you just need to do is to come and be pasting them in. Okay, so this is my number. Then for my email, I'll just copy my email. Just copy my email. Okay, and then paste it here. Then for the password, I'll just type down the password. Okay, 1 minute please. Let me check where I inputted the password. Okay, so I'll just enter the password here. Okay, I think it's not good enough. Okay, I'll redo it again. Actually, you need 2 uppercase letter, 2 lowercase letter, some numbers, and special characters. Okay, so I'll re-enter it again. All right, so that is it. So before I click on join Clickbank, I need to click on their terms and condition to make sure that I accept their terms and condition. It is very important, because without this you cannot proceed. Okay, so I'll scroll down, just but actually make sure you go through their terms and condition. It is very, very important you go through their terms and condition. Okay, so after scrolling down, you come over here, you can see it is already clicked already that you have read their terms and condition. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is to click on join Clickbank. All right, so once you do that, they are going to bring out this page for you. You click on no thanks, continue to sign up. All right, so this is where it gets very, very critical, because at this point we'll determine if you will be approved or not. Okay, so now the next thing we want to do is to click on complete my profile. So once you click on complete your profile, you need to scroll down, and come over to street address. Now this street address, in my secret IP setup training or guide, I teach you guys how to get your address. Okay, I teach you a very simple method of how I get my own address, because Clickbank has two major parameters of approving your account. One, they have the IP verification system, and secondly, they also have the address verification system in place. So if your address does not correspond with your IP, they will definitely block your account or ban your account. So that is just what you need to put into consideration. Okay, so now I'll just go in and just enter the addresses. I already have everything here. So this is the street address. Okay, so these were the streets. Then for the states, province or region, I'm going to look for, you can see, Bremen. For the city, also Bremen. Then for the postal code, I'll just use this is the postal code over here. So for you to get my actual address method, how I get my address, subscribe to the IP guide, okay, IP setup system, and you will get the how to get your address. Then for your date of birth, make sure you note them down. Okay, so I'll be using 06, so I'll be using 06, then I'll be using 12. Okay, so it's day, month, and year. So it will be 06/12/19, let me see, 1987. Okay, no, let me see, 1989. Okay, so it will be 19. Make sure you are writing them down. Okay, make sure you're writing them down. So it will be 1989. Okay, all right, 1989. So you will now click on save. So once you click on save, whatever you get here, guys, that is your fate. Okay, so now let's click on save and see what happens next. Wow, guys, can you see your account has been created successfully? Guys, your account has been created successfully. Okay, so now the next thing you need to do from here is, as you can see, the account has been created successfully. The next thing you need to do from here now is to go over to accounts. Okay, click on accounts. Now you need to create your nickname over here. Okay, you need to create your nicknames. So what you're going to do is to click on nickname, then type of account. You just need to go through types of accounts you want to. Okay, you want to be a seller or you want to be an affiliate. So now all you need to do is to click on affiliate. Then the nickname, I'll just put Baker 112. All right, so you can see it exists. So I'll click on sign up. Can you see it? This account has been created successfully, guys. This account has been created successfully. So now all you need to do is to click on this, your username. Okay, so now that you've clicked on your username, it brings you over to this place. So what you need to do next is go over to, I was supposed to translate this page. Okay, let me try it again. Okay, bring it over to English here. Okay, so it's back to English. Okay, so now next thing you need to do is to verify your email address. Very, very important. Verify your email address. So all you just need to do is to click on your email address over here. Click on it and they will send you a verification code to your email address. So I'll go to my email address. I will copy the email link from my email address, from my email inbox rather. Then I will come back. I'll find a way to come back to my IP setup and paste it on a browser here. Make sure you don't click on the email address if you're not on your IP setup, because that can even flag your account. They might not block your account, but it will be flagged. So later in the future, they already know that this account is flagged. So when you're making earnings and you want to withdraw, you will now have issues with them. Okay, so you have to really Clickbank are for those that are really careful. All right, you have to be very careful when you're operating with Clickbank. So now I'll go and copy my email, the verification link that is sent, and come back and paste it here and show you guys. Okay, all right guys, so as you can see, I have copied the link from my email inbox. So I'll just paste it over here and click on enter. All right, so as you can see, my Clickbank account has been verified successfully, guys. As you can see, it has been verified successfully. So now you're welcome to the Clickbank marketplace. All right, so as you can see, my secret IP setup system is still working as effective as ever. Okay, so if you're having doubt, I believe this will clear your doubt. So if you really want to work with Clickbank and make good money in 2024, 2025 and other years to come, get my IP set up and go and start rocking Clickbank, guys. All right, so guys, that will be the end of this video. As you can see, we have successfully created a Clickbank account with my method. Okay, you don't need VPN, you don't need all those other gimmicks and all those other methods that they're telling you. Just stick with my method and you will be safe. You'll be able to operate your Clickbank safely, and you'll be able to open your Clickbank account safely from anywhere in the world or Africa, guys. So that will be it for today's video. Okay, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video. So thank you guys for watching. Love the here and I'm out.